A story that doesn't get a ton of coverage, and it's really, I think, because it's so regional, deals with this chemical product, ethylene oxide. And ethylene oxide is a byproduct of a manufacturing process that takes place in about 20 factories across the country. And what it is, I mean, everybody's seen those big steam stacks with the chemicals and everything going up in the air and kind of that haze. And so we start looking at what is in the air, what is in the water, what is in the ground. And what they found was there was a very high level of this chemical, this byproduct called ethylene oxide. Now, ethylene oxide is something, if you Google it, sometimes it's referred to as ETO, you will see is one of the most potent carcinogenics in the country. And high exposure levels are linked directly with a almost 100 times increase in risk of contracting one of these blood cancers or lymph node cancers, and it's something to be taken very serious. If you're living, basically within a 5-mile radius of these different factories, you have a very high risk of contracting one of these cancers. If you're living there, what does that do to your home value? What does that do to your peace of mind? How do you go home knowing that these chemicals that are being put in the air that you're breathing in can cause cancer, can cause your child to get cancer? But if you go on our website at forthepeople.com, we have a list of the factories that we've identified at this point that are known to be producing this ethylene oxide. And we are looking for people that either have contracted one of the cancers or are living in this area, are concerned about their property and their future of what's going to happen here, and to hold these companies accountable and to actually change this behavior and to make the world safer for them and their families. That it may seem like a small, like a regional problem, but if you're living in that bullseye surrounding that factory, it's the biggest thing that you can do.